Hey y'all, Ryan Wilkerson, sales team lead with the Dave Friedman team of Keller Williams Real Estate. And I wanted to talk with you all today around why the median home price is meaningless in today's real estate market. So later this week, the National Association of Realtors will release its latest existing home sales report. And this monthly report provides information on the sales volume and price trend for previously owned homes. And so in this upcoming release, it's likely going to say home prices are down. And this might feel a little bit confusing, especially if you've been following the news recently, which is reporting that home prices have bottomed out and have turned a corner to start appreciating again. So why will they likely say home prices are falling when so many other reports are saying pricing's going back up? Well, obviously it all depends on the methodology of each report. NAR reports on the median sales price, while some other sources use repeat sales prices. And here's how those two approaches differ. The median sales price measures the middle price of homes that sold, meaning that half of the homes sold for a higher price and half sold for less. So for example, if lower price homes have sold more recently, the median sales price would decline because the middle home is now a lower priced home, even if the value of each individual home is continuing to rise. Whereas a repeat sales approach calculates changes in home prices based on sales of the same property, thereby kind of avoiding the problem of trying to account for price differences in homes with varying characteristics. So as you can see, these two approaches can tell very, very different stories. And that's why median price data might say prices are down, even though the vast majority of repeat sales reports shows pricing appreciating again. And median prices are kind of distorted by the mix of homes that are in them. And repeat sales indexes are probably better for measuring pricing. So here's like a simple explanation of median value. Like, let's just say you have 3 coins in your pocket and you decide to kind of line them all up according to their value from low to high. So if you had 1 nickel and 2 dimes, the median value would be the middle coin, which is 10 cents. Now, if you had 2 nickels and 1 dime, the median value is now 5 cents. In both cases, a nickel is still worth 5 cents and a dime is still worth 10 cents. The value of each coin didn't change. So that's why using median home pricing as a gauge of what's happening with some home values isn't really worthwhile right now. Most buyers look at home prices as a starting point to determine if the house matches their budget. Right? Most people buy homes based on the monthly affordability of the mortgage payment, not just the price of the house. So when mortgage rates are higher, you may have to buy a less expensive home to keep your monthly housing expense affordable. A greater number of less expensive houses are selling right now. And for this exact reason, that's why median home pricing is declining. But that doesn't mean any single house lost value. So when you see stories in the media that prices are falling later this week, remember this analogy about the coins. Just because the median price changes doesn't mean home prices are falling. What it means is the mix of homes being sold is being impacted by affordability and current mortgage rates, and those price points are selling more frequently. So the bottom line, for a more in-depth understanding of home prices, trends, what's happening here in our market in Charleston, South Carolina, please reach out to any of our expert home advisors here at the Dave Friedman team.